Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's story named as The Lion and Ass. Once upon a time, in a peaceful village surrounded by lush green fields, there lived a majestic lion and a hard-working ass. The lion, named Leo, was known for his bravery and regal presence, while the ass, named Andy, was admired for his diligence and strength. Both Leo and Andy had young kids who were growing up together and often played in the fields. One sunny morning, Leo and Andy decided to take their kids for a walk in the nearby forest. Leo's cubs, Lily and Leo Jr., were full of energy and excitement, while Andy's little donkey, Danny, followed along, trying to keep up with his fast-paced friends. As they ventured deeper into the forest, the group stumbled upon a tranquil lake shimmering under the warm sunlight. The children's eyes sparkled with delight, and they rushed towards the water, eager to splash around. However, Lily, Leo Jr., and Danny were so engrossed in their play that they didn't notice the deep mud near the lake's edge. One by one, the cubs and Danny got stuck in the sticky mud. Their playful laughter turned into cries for help. Leo and Andy immediately rushed to their rescue, but despite their best efforts, they couldn't pull the kids out. Just when it seemed all hope was lost, a group of woodland animals arrived at the scene. The wise old owl, who had been observing from above, hooted, "Fear not, for I have a solution." The owl quickly explained that if Leo and Andy joined forces and pulled together, they could save the trapped children. Leo and Andy realized the truth in the owl's words and decided to put aside their differences. They stood side by side, bracing themselves, and using all their strength, they pulled the kids out of the mud one by one. The children were safe and relieved, grateful to their fathers and the wise owl. From that day on, Leo and Andy became the best of friends. Moral of the story: timeless fable, reminding people of the power of unity, cooperation, and friendship.